Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification. So obviously you can see that the phone in front of me is locked, and I can either unlock it using the pattern that was previously set or using Google account. Now, assuming we don't know either of those, to bypass this, we're just gonna simply go back to the Wi-Fi connection. From here, disconnect from the Wi-Fi that you are connected to right now, which, let me quickly find it, there we go, forget network. Okay, and you want to skip it. And progress through the setup to the point where you get to set up a protection to your device. And there we go. So from here, we're gonna go with a only screen lock. And as you've seen before, there was a pattern set before, so we're gonna go with a pin, just to keep it a little bit different. Now, in reality, you could also set just a different pattern, but I kind of want to differentiate from what it was set to before, just so you can clearly see that it overrides the pattern that we don't know. So that one got it, and from here, set your pin. Now I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, a fairly simple one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set it, and from there, once you set it, you want to go back and reconnect to Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna put in my password. And then I'm gonna connect. There we go, and let's progress again through the setup. And you can see that we can now bypass the Google verification, and as you've seen before, there was a pattern. Now it's changed to pin. So let's confirm our pin that we have set just a second ago. Tap on next. And there we go, the device is unlocked. Now, if you want to be super safe about it, you can also finish up this setup of the device, and from there go to the settings and just reset the device from settings. This will ensure that you remove basically every kind of leftover data that was previously kept by the device, well, in terms of the protection. So oops, skip this. So let me quickly finish this up just so I can show you where to find it. Now, performing a reset of the phone through settings will remove Google accounts along with any kind of leftovers, like I said, which isn't done if you reset the device through recovery mode. Yeah, so as you can see, we're now on the home screen, so you want to navigate into your settings. From there, scroll all the way down to additional settings, and from here we should somewhere, there we go, oh, it's in blue, so backup and, well, that's not it, that's backup and restore. So quickly look for what I'm actually looking for. It looks like in some weird place on here. So it's an about phone, as you've seen right here, and at the bottom, factory reset. And then just tap on erase all data and confirm the pin that we have previously set, which is, at least for me, it was 1, 2, 3, 4. And from there, tap on next, and the process will begin. Now, I'm not gonna go through it because it would just kind of waste a little bit of time. But basically, once you finish it up, you will be then back in the setup screen with the device fully unlocked, so you don't actually have to do anything apart from just simply finishing up the setup the way you want it. But that is how you would bypass the Google verification on Redmi C9 or 9C. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.